Imagine swallowing something so small, yet inside your body, it triggers a chain reaction affecting your energy, your cells, and how your body handles stress. No hype, no magic, just biology doing something fascinating. Spirulina has been called a superfood. But what actually happens after it enters your system? Today, we're stepping inside the body to explore what spirulina really does and why so many people say they feel different after taking it. Let's start where the journey begins. Digestion and nutrient absorption. The moment spirulina reaches your stomach, digestion begins. But unlike heavy foods, spirulina is surprisingly easy for your body to process. It contains highly bioavailable proteins, iron, vitamins, and a powerful pigment called phycocyanin, known for its antioxidant activity. As nutrients enter your bloodstream, your cells receive usable fuel, building blocks for metabolism, repair, and energy production. Think of it like switching from low power mode to steady performance. This explains why many people describe a smooth, clean lift in energy. Not a caffeine spike, but sustained cellular support. And once your cells are nourished, the ripple effects begin. But spirulina doesn't just feed your body. It interacts with deeper protective systems. Let's go inside your bloodstream. Blood and cellular support. Your bloodstream is your body's delivery network. Spirulina contains iron and amino acids that support oxygen transport and cellular metabolism, processes essential for mental clarity and physical stamina. Scientifically speaking, oxygen efficiency helps mitochondria, your cellular energy centers, function more effectively. That's not dramatic, but it's foundational. Small improvements at the cellular level compound into noticeable vitality over time. And when energy improves, recovery and balance become the next piece of the puzzle. And coming up, we're diving into something people rarely talk about: how spirulina may support inflammation balance, blood sugar stability, and your body's natural detox systems. This is where the science gets really interesting. But before we go deeper, if you're enjoying this inside look at what's happening in your body, tap like, share this with someone curious about nutrition, and subscribe for more science-backed wellness insights. All right, let's continue. But first, comment below where you are watching from. Also, let us know if you have ever taken spirulina and if you noticed anything. Inflammation and recovery support. Inflammation is your body's natural alarm system, essential but problematic when it lingers. Spirulina's phycocyanin has been studied for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, supporting the body's ability to regulate oxidative stress. Think of it as helping your internal environment return to balance rather than overreacting. For active lifestyles or everyday wear and tear, this support may contribute to smoother recovery and resilience. Not instant transformation, but consistent reinforcement. And balance leads us somewhere equally important: gut-T and immune interaction. Your gut is more than digestion. It's a command center for immune communication. Spirulina contains nutrients that may support beneficial gut bacteria and immune signaling pathways. A balanced gut environment improves nutrient absorption and immune efficiency, essentially strengthening your internal foundation. When digestion runs smoothly, your energy, mood, and recovery tend to follow. And from gut balance, we shift to energy regulation. Blood sugar control support. Inside your body, glucose is fuel, but spikes and crashes can disrupt energy and focus. Research suggests spirulina compounds may support healthier glucose metabolism by improving how cells respond to energy availability. Imagine your metabolic system like a thermostat. Spirulina helps maintain steady conditions instead of extremes. Stable energy often translates into fewer crashes, clearer thinking, and sustained endurance. And when your energy is steady, your body can focus on maintenance and protection. Which brings us to detoxification. Detoxification support. Your liver, kidneys, and digestive system are constantly filtering byproducts and environmental stressors. Spirulina's antioxidant compounds support these natural detox pathways, not by replacing them, but by enhancing the body's ability to neutralize oxidative stress. Think of it as assisting a cleanup crew already working around the clock. This cellular housekeeping promotes efficiency, and efficiency supports overall wellness. And when internal systems operate smoothly, the benefits connect. By now, you can see Spirulina isn't doing one thing. It's supporting a network: energy production, immune balance, metabolic stability, and cellular protection. Each small process contributes to a larger system working in harmony. And harmony is where health thrives. Here's a summary. So what does Spirulina actually do inside your body? It nourishes your cells with bioavailable nutrients, supports oxygen and energy metabolism, helps regulate oxidative stress, encourages gut and immune balance, promotes stable energy use, and assists natural detox pathways. Not magic, not a shortcut, just intelligent nutrition supporting intelligent biology. Real wellness doesn't come from dramatic moments. It's built from small, consistent support that allows your body to function as designed. If this helped you see Spirulina differently, tell me below. Have you tried it, or are you curious to start? And remember, when you support your body quietly and consistently, it rewards you with clarity, energy, and resilience. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.